Hello there, everyone, and today we're going to be doing a quick review of Birds of Prey for my 2021 New Year's resolution. So, this movie's about Harley Quinn forming her own group after dumping the Joker. And so, she goes on this little long journey with her teammates to stop Black Mass from doing bad things. And, I saw this movie on demand. Yeah, cable TV, I know. But I thought this movie was fine. It's I don't know. Whenever the DCU does a team up movie, I mean ups and downs with it. I don't want to get off topic, but I was okay with Suicide Squad. Batman v Superman was fine, but this movie felt fine to me as well. Just it's not as good as Aquaman, the Dark Knight trilogy, obviously. And speaking of Batman, I wish he was in this movie, despite it taking place in Gotham. I mean, I like the cast. I like the girl who plays Harley Quinn, Margot Robbie. She's awesome. And I really like Black Mask. Most of the Black Mask versions don't really have much character, other than he's a crook, crime boss, who just wants power and money. This one had more personality, which I liked. And you probably know, or even guessed, that I like Ian McGregor for obvious reasons. And so, yeah, I don't really have much to say about this movie. The characters in this movie kind of remind me of something that I'd rather not say. But, yeah, this movie's fun. I mean, if you like the DCU, give it a watch. The next review is going to be the Impractical Jokers movie. Yeah, you're probably surprised by that. There's an Impractical Jokers movie. But anyway, have a good day, everyone.